nalaman natin, meron talagang reward system at merong pinanggagalingan yung pondo para dun sa reward system.
Sir, sandali. Medyo papahingin mo lang ako ng...
1 minute suspension.
Kaya tinawag yan, sir, ng intelligence pati confidential. Kaya huwag kang magtanong kung anong confidential ginawa ko. Confidential nga eh. I am protecting the interest of the Republic when I dispense confidential funds to the military and the police. Do not make me account for something which I cannot do legally. That is not allowed by law. I am prohibited from doing it.
So sabi ni President, ni PRRD, di ba, hindi daw siya legally allowed na i-divulge kung paano niya ginamit yung confidential and intelligence funds niya. Tapos yung argument naman ni Congressman Manuel dito is that meron daw joint circular which allows them to ask general questions. So, kung ako po tatanungin, mas papaboran ko po dito yung statement ni PRRD. Because we have to remember po, one of the rules or the principles in our Constitution is what we call the Doctrine of Constitutional Supremacy, which means po that the Constitution is supreme from all other laws. So, lahat po ng batas, joint circulars, provincial ordinances, city ordinances must conform to the Constitution. Okay? So, bakit ko po nasabi yun? Kasi yung argument ni Congressman Manuel dito, may joint circular daw na allowing. However, yung legal basis po dito ni PRRD, although hindi po sinabi to ni PRRD naman yung legal basis niya, pero kung ako po tatanungin, yung legal basis po ng statement ni PRRD dito is most likely the right to executive privilege of the office of the President. So, ang executive privilege po is yung karapatan ng Presidente under his office na hindi i-divulge sa public or to other branches of government certain matters or certain discussions na ginawa niya during his term when it involves matters of national security or national interest. So dito yung pinapag-usapan na po nila is the confidential funds in relation to peace and order. So ano po yung nagta-touch on doon? That already touches on national security and national interest. Therefore, pwede po i-invoke ni PRRD dito yung executive privilege niya. Although hindi na siya president ngayon, di ba? He's a former president. However, we have to remember po na yung mga actions yung mga questions ni Congressman Manuel are questioning the actions of PRRD during his presidency. So since actions na yun during his term, kasama pa rin po at covered yun siya ng executive privilege. Okay? At i-emphasize ko lang ulit since si Congressman Manuel dito, his legal basis was a joint circular, it is just a circular, dun po papasok ngayon yung constitutional supremacy. Mas lamang po yung Constitution. So under the Constitution, we have the executive privilege. Therefore, yung joint circular cannot be a reason para i-violate yung right to executive privilege under the Constitution. Okay? So kung meron pong question dito si Congressman Manuel talaga na gusto niya malaman yung information na yan, well, he has to, yung proper remedy po niya from how I see it is, number one, try to get a proper accounting from COA kung makaprovide, at kung ayaw mag-provide ng COA, pumunta po siya sa korte. Okay? Because under the Constitution din po, the Supreme Court also has an absolute power of judicial review in any government office as long as there is grave abuse of discretion. Ang ibig sabihin po niyan, kung meron pong grabing pang-aabuso ng power ng isang government official, ng government office, pwede po yan questionin under the power of judicial review ng Supreme Court. So kung sa tingin ni Congressman Manuel dito mali yung ginagawa ni PRRD sa hindi pagsagot sa kanya, hindi po dapat yung joint circular ang invoke niya dito. Rather, you should go to the Supreme Court and invoke the power of judicial review of the Supreme Court as provided in